got some paragliding going on.
Minus 15. I love my job. What was it? Welcome to a new episode of All You Do Is Press Record.
So, mister.
It's midnight. We're driving to Switzerland tonight. It'll be a long overnight drive. We're going to Mentality Games 2026 in Switzerland. It's gonna be an awesome week. Gonna just film there a whole week, get some pictures. So yeah, super excited for that. First pit stop. Energy drink number 1.
Ein Kaffee.
1 more hour to go. We're here.
Welcome to a new episode of All You Do Is Press Record. This week we are with the Mental Foundation. It's gonna be a lovely week full of snow, full of skiing. Look at it. Just look at it. Mr. Capstickers, man.
Ja, ik heb ze al bij me, dus we moeten nog op.
Finally found her.
We're here. I'm ready to bring people above and have some fun in the snow today. Let's go.
Nobody's listening to me.
What are we doing?
We're doing one last run with the Angels. We got Manon.
So we're gonna shoot for the aliens in suits. Yeah.
Let's go, it's another day.
Day 2, Mentality Games. Today we're gonna start off with something special. We got some paragliding going on. That's gonna be pretty sweet. We're already getting ready there. And later on we'll get some big air jumps as well. They're setting that up. So today is just full of action.
Woo! And it's a beautiful day again.
And it's a beautiful day again.
Are you ready for the paragliding?
I am.
Yeah? You excited? Is the leg gonna stay on? Are you gonna scream? No? Got the 360 here for some nice shots. Hey!
Ik ben zo excited, opnieuw.
Engels, we zijn een Engels kanaal.
I'm ready, sun is shining, let's go.
Currently backing up the photos because they on the other side of the street had a 5-hour deadline. It's currently 16:50. Not gonna make it. End of the day, was a beautiful day again. Took amazing shots. Life is good. We're here in the mountains. The weather is nice. Can drink a beer.
Good day. I'm hungry. I could use a beer, to be honest.
Tomorrow we have the big air contest, which is nice. Gonna see some flying kids. Unfortunately, the weather it's not gonna be quite as good as today and yesterday. Hello, it's day 4. It's windy. It was super sunny, and now it's cold. It's minus whatever, minus 15. I love my job. What do you think of the music, Nick?
Alright, ready? Day 5, last day of the games. But today is the challenge, the 12-hour race challenge. Yeah, let's kick it.
Hey, let's fly the drone.
Let's fly. We're gonna do a few laps,
got some action shots.
Make a few people happy with this, with the socks. Big shout out to the foundation for trusting us. So voor jou en voor de rest van het team. Voor de rest van de groep ook. Everybody get Gap Studio socks. If you don't have them yet, send us a DM. Let's go. Gap Studio certified. Jullie bedankt.
Ah, wat leuk! Wat
Okay,
It's almost 12 o'clock.
it's almost midnight. We just finished the challenge, the race day.
It was an amazing week. Met amazing people.
Yeah, it's been a pretty hectic 2 weeks. Had London last week, straight to Switzerland. Had a amazing week here in Switzerland with Mentality Foundation. I feel like I haven't slept properly in 2 weeks. Nonetheless, super fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was good. Shout out to the Vitality Angels. Shout out to the Vitality team.
Let's get a beer.
Ciao.